السلام عليكم ومرحبا بكم لهذا الفيديو الرابع في هذه السيري ديال الافعال بالانجلي والدارجه. Welcome again to the fourth video in this series about Moroccan Arabic verbs. And if you haven't watched the three last episodes, you can find the link in the description or here. You can click the link here and you can watch the first, the second and the third. And also I would like to welcome the new subscribers and encourage the others to subscribe to the channel so that you can get more videos like every week about verbs. So let's get started with the first verb, which is عاود. عاود. عاود is to repeat. عاود. It also has the meaning of narrate, to narrate something. So it means عاود, to repeat and to narrate. So عاود, عاود, عاود. Let's move to the imperative form. If you are talking to a man, you would say عاود, عاود, عاود. And if you're talking to a woman, it's عاودي, عاودي. And if you're talking to a man, it's عاود. Sorry, if you're talking to a group of people, it's عاودو, عاودو. So عاود, عاودي, عاودو. Let's practice pronunciation. Can you repeat after me? عاود, عاود, عاود. Great. عاودي, عاودي. Perfect. عاودو, عاودو, عاودو. Great. So let's see two phrases or two sentences using this verb. عاود لي على راسك شوية. عاود لي على راسك شوية. This is to say, tell me a little bit about yourself. عاود لي, عاود لي على راسك. About yourself, شوية, a little bit. عاود. Can you repeat the sentence? عاود لي شوية على راسك. عاود لي شوية على راسك. عاود لي شوية على. عاود اش قلتي عافاك. This is can you repeat what you said please? عاود. عاود is repeat. اش what? قلتي. قلتي. You told in the past. عاود اش قلتي عافاك is please. عاود اش قلتي عافاك. Great. So the second verb here is قلد. 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 Learn it. Great. So قلد is to imitate. قلد. قلد. Great. So let's see the three forms of the imperative form. If you're talking to a man, you said قلد. If you're talking to a woman, it's قلدي. قلدي. I know it's a little bit harder, this verb, when it comes to pronunciation. It's consonants without vowels, and it has the qa. قلد, قلدي, قلدو for a group. قلدو. So let's practice them. Can you repeat after me? قلد. ق. ق. قلد. قلد. Great. قلدي. 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 Great. قلدو. 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 Great. Nice. So let's move to two sentences or two phrases. And the first one is أنا كنقلد الصوت ديالك. أنا كنقلد الصوت ديالك. I imitate your voice. I'm not sure if there is a word for this in English, but you can understand it like imitate. أنا كنقلد الصوت ديالك. I imitate. I can do the same as your voice. أنا كنقلد صوت. صوت. صوت is voice. ديالك your voice. أنا كنقلد الصوت ديالك. The second sentence is واش تقدر تقلد الصوت ديال السبع. واش تقدر تقلد الصوت ديال السبع. Are you able to imitate the voice of the lion. واش تقدر تقلد الصوت ديال السبع؟ واش تقدر تقلد الصوت ديال السبع؟ The second verb here is, or let's say the two verbs, they are very important verbs because you will see them everywhere in the offices in Morocco. They are like dfa and jbed. Dfa, jbed. Dfa is to push something, push. Dfa. And jbed is to pull. Pull, jbed. Dfa, push. So let's start with dfa. دفع دفع دفع. This is push. دفع دفع. It has the meaning of دفع, to push, and it also has the meaning to apply. For example, to apply for a job, or to apply for a visa, or to apply for something like that is related to work, like an position. So دفع is to push, دفع something, you push something, or دفع to apply for a work. So let's see the imperative forms. دفع, you masculine, دفعي, you feminine, دفعوا, plural. So this is the imperative when you are asking someone to do something. دفع. So let's repeat them. Repeat after me. دفع دفع دفع. دفعي دفعي دفعي. دفعوا دفعوا. Great. Now let's move to see two sentences which are they are common in the offices. Say دفع الباب. دفع الباب. دفع الباب. It's to pull, to push the door. Push the door. دفع. أنا, the second sentence, أنا دفعت لهاد الشركة. أنا دفعت لهاد الشركة. I applied to this company. Means I applied for a job in this company. أنا دفعت لهاد الشركة. أنا دفعت لهاد الشركة. Can you repeat the two sentences? دفع الباب. دفع الباب. And أنا دفعت لهاد الشركة. أنا دفعت لهاد الشركة. Great. So now let's move to the other verb, which is جبد. جبد. Some people say جر. So جبد or جر is to, جر to pull something, or جبد. Let's do now just جبد. 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 So for the three forms of the imperative forms, when you give orders, when you are asking someone to do something, so جبد for masculine, جبدي for feminine, جبدو for plural. جبدو. So let's practice saying them. جبد. Can you say this after me? جبد. جبدي. جبدي. And for plural it's جبدو. جبدو. Great. So let's see two sentences again. جبد الباب. جبد الباب is pull the door. And جبد الباب. And let's think of another sentence like جبد تليفون من جيبك. جبد. So this is another meaning, like get out something from your pocket. جبد. جبد. Get out or take out. تليفون, phone. من جيبك, out of your pocket. جبد تليفون من جيبك. جبد تليفون من جيبك. جبد تليفون من جيبك. Perfect. Great. The last verb in this video is sreh. Sreh. What is sreh? Great. Some of you know it and some not. So sreh is to explain. Sreh. Sreh. You're talking to a man. Sreh. You're talking to a woman. Women. women. Yeah, women, singular. So if you're talking to a women, sharhi. If you're talking to a group of people, it's sharhu, plural. So let's practice it. Can you repeat after me? Shrah, sharhi, sharhu. Great. Let's see some sentences. And here I want you to write one of the sentences, to write a sentence in a comment, please. So, شرح لي هاد الكلمة عفاك. شرح لي هاد الكلمة عفاك. Explain to me this word, please. Or explain this word to me, please. شرح لي هاد الكلمة عفاك. شرح لي هاد الكلمة عفاك. Explain this word to me, please. شرح لي هاد الكلمة عفاك. شرح لي هاد الكلمة عفاك. Explain this to me. أنت كتشرح مزيان. أنت كتشرح مزيان. You explain very well. أنت كتشرح مزيان. شكرا. أنت كتشرح مزيان. You explain very well. I will ask you this question. واش أنا كنشرح مزيان؟ واش أنا كنشرح مزيان؟ Do I explain very well? واش أنا كنشرح مزيان? I want you to write a yes or no or a sentence in the comments below the video. واش أنا كنشرح مزيان? This is a question for you. Great. So we came to the end of the video, and I would like to remind you again to subscribe, like, and comment in the video under this video. And thank you so much for encouraging me. You can also consider donating to make this channel grow. Yeah, it's just small donations from the number of people who watch the video will make a difference. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in the 5th episode of these verbs, 100 verbs in Darija.